Hi, and welcome to our JavaScript practice exercise course. Within this course, we're going to be building out two mini projects from scratch, all using jQuery. My name is Lawrence, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. And I really love and enjoy working with jQuery. So in the next set of lessons, we are going to be building out two mini projects from scratch. And the focus of the course, of course, is jQuery. So a lot of the coding is going to be focused around jQuery, and whatever we can do in jQuery, we are going to be doing. So the first exercise we're going to be doing is we're going to be building out a simple step exercise where we can see next page, and so on. So this is simulation of scrolling through and stepping through multiple pages to see what's next. You can use it in forms, and there's a number of different ways to use this type of application. So all of the interactivity and functionality is going to be based around jQuery. We're going to be showing you some of the really cool things that you can do with jQuery. And then next, we're going to be building out form validation with jQuery. So this is another really useful exercise in jQuery where we're going to be getting the values of the inputs. We're going to be checking if those values meet some criteria. I'm also going to be showing you a quick and easy way to get content from jQuery. And then also if we're retrieving error messages, we're going to show up and we're going to show them as being read. So each one of these cells needs to have at least 6 characters. This one has to be within an email format, and once it is, we see it goes black, and the missing cells that all need input are still red. So I'm going to show you to build out something like this from scratch, and all of the source code, of course, is included. I do encourage you to practice alongside the lessons, building out your own version of the application so you can get more familiar with jQuery, how it works, and how you can access elements, access values, and manipulate and update values via jQuery. So when you're ready, let's jump right in and start creating our first exercise